Here's a pair of the JBL Tune Buds 2. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset. So doing a factory reset here, you have to listen carefully, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the case, we're going to take out the buds, and then from here we have to tap several times on one of the earbuds. It doesn't matter, we're just going to do in the right one, okay? So as soon as we take it out of the case, we're going to tap twice, tap, tap, and then tap and hold, okay? So let me give it a second. Okay, now we're gonna do it, okay? Tap, 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 and hold this one here. Okay, ready, set, go. Tap, 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 and hold. Now I'm gonna hold it until they both blink blue and both the lights like turn off. Usually it takes about 10 seconds. Sometimes I gotta do it like 2 or 3 times. I don't think I got it right. Okay, let me do it again. Ready? Just give me a few seconds. Okay, ready? Tap, 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 and hold. Let's see if I got it this time. Hey, what do you know? Now it turns off. Okay, so they're blinking. Now they're off. Now all you got to do is just put it into the case, close it, just wait till the light turns off. Okay, now when we open it up, it should eventually go into pairing mode, which both sides will be blinking blue. There we go, blue, blue, blue. So now it's in pairing mode. Now, really quickly, before I did the factory reset, I was already paired to this Samsung Galaxy S25. So if I want to pair it back to this phone, I need to delete it out of the Bluetooth pairing list. So let me go to settings on this phone here. And then I'll go to connections. I'll go to Bluetooth here. And then you can see I was currently paired before. So let me go ahead and tap on that settings button and I'm going to unpair it, basically delete it. If it's on an iPhone, it would say forget device. So let me unpair it. And now if I want to connect back to this phone, I just have to rescan here. And now it's spinning there. It's still in the pairing mode. You can see it blinking right there. And now if I wish, I can connect back to the same phone here. And voila, I'm connected back, ready to go.